Good afternoon, this is Luke Robinson with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana with your planning briefing for Sunday, March 12th. Our key points for the next several days will first be Monday. Will be our warmest day of the week with many valleys across western Montana reaching the 50-degree mark potentially for the first time since this past fall. North central Idaho valleys will certainly reach the 50-degree mark, possibly even 60 degrees. Then we're looking at a cold front sometime Monday evening or early Tuesday. Snow levels will lower back down to most valley floors behind the cold front by Tuesday morning. And we are also looking at gusty westerly winds up to around 40 miles per hour with the front as it passes through. Then we're also tracking another atmospheric river forecast to be into the region by Monday evening and lingering over the area through early Wednesday. Snow levels will be rising to around 5,500 to 6,000 feet by Monday afternoon for most of the Northern Rockies. One area that might not see the snow levels rise quite this high will be extreme northwest Montana. And then we're looking at high pressure returning by the end of the week. This is our current satellite loop. You can see a surface low pressure just making landfall off the coast of Oregon. That will move over our area overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. Over in the central Pacific, this is our atmospheric river that we'll be tracking as it progresses eastward and then eventually making landfall on the west coast and moving northeast over the Northern Rockies. This is our weather threat matrix for the next few days. We have Monday through Wednesday highlighted mainly for the mountain passes for light to moderate snowfall, resulting in low to moderate impacts. These are our forecasted high temperatures for tomorrow. As mentioned earlier, we could see the Missoula area and the Bitterroot Valley getting into the 50-degree range and possibly even reaching 60 degrees in Orofino by tomorrow afternoon. The last time the Missoula area has seen 50 degrees has been the first week of November of last year. And then by Wednesday we'll see our high temperatures back down below normal for this time of the year with potential for light valley snowfall Tuesday afternoon and early Wednesday morning. This is the expected precipitation accumulation. This is your liquid precipitation. Again, most of it's going to fall across northwest Montana and the mountains along the Montana-Idaho border, as well as the Clearwater Mountains in north central Idaho. And this is a 3-day precipitation starting tomorrow going through Wednesday. So this is our expected snowfall ranges for this 3-day event. Again, this is going to be over almost a 72-hour period. So we're looking at 6 to 8 inches of snow over lookout, something similar for Lolo Pass, and then just a little bit less for Lost Trail Pass. Most of the higher snowfalls are going to be along the Montana-Idaho border and the higher terrain of the Clearwater Mountains in north central Idaho. I have a few point locations, most notably the mountain passes across the region. Feel free to pause this so you can look at more detailed timing for your locations, but we're generally seeing an increase in the snow rates by late Monday night and going into early Tuesday morning for most locations. And this is Lolo Pass. Again, Tuesday morning is going to be when we'll start seeing those snow rates picking up. Then Homestake Pass, we're not really expecting as much snowfall across southwest Montana. Most of it's going to be further west and north. And then Mirage Pass, Lost Trail Pass, and Whitebird Hill in north central Idaho. So these are our low and high end snowfall amounts. So on the left, this is what you can expect we'll at least see. And then on the right, this is what the more extreme outcome could be. So this would be our high-end amount. As you can see, almost a foot of snow for Lookout Pass, slightly less for Lolo Pass. But then if you look across northwest Montana, where we mentioned where we could see the snow levels not get as high as everyone else. So areas around the Yak, Libby, you could be the valleys across the region that could see the most snowfall out of this 3-day event. Our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook is right about where we should be for this time of the year. And for our temperature outlook, there's a slight chance that we could be slightly below normal for this time of the year. And again, to wrap up, tomorrow will be our warmest day of the week. We are looking at a cold front Monday night, early Tuesday, that will bring snow levels back down to valley floors with gusty westerly winds. And again, we're going to be watching this atmospheric river moving into the region sometime late Monday and lingering over the area through Wednesday with rising snow levels. And then high pressure returning back to the region by the end of the week. That concludes today's briefing. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call.